Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to change font style on Samsung Galaxy A15 device. Changing the font style allows users to personalize their device and make it reflect their individual taste and style. By choosing a font that personates with them, they can create a unique and customized look for their device. Okay, and then how to do that on this device? Let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first thing, please open settings menu on your device. Well, after that we can select display option. Okay, and then in this page, you can choose font size and style menu. After that, click on this option. Well, and then here will appear several font style options available on your device. And you can tap on it to apply a new font style on your device. But if you want to get a new one, you can tap on download font here. And then, here will be there many font style and you can get one of them by downloading it. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to change font style on Samsung Galaxy A15 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.